What up, YouTube? I'm working on my differential. I got my limited slip unit on there, the one I wanted to use. I put an Auburn in there. I was gonna put a limited slip locker, but the guy I got it from recommended that I use this, man. He said the locker wasn't gonna do me good, so got this on there for now. Everything worked out good. It's an Auburn 8.5 with a 373 gear ratio, 30 spine, just in case you're doing a rear end like this, 94 through 96 Impala SS. You know what you need to get. Now I just need to touch it all up, man. Close it up, grind it up, and paint it. As soon as everything is nicely done, I'll make that next video. But it's coming together. One thing at a time, right? Alright, YouTube, I get at you.